Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and this time I'll be showing you how to turn on Wi-Fi calling. So me personally, I love Wi-Fi calling. I like to use it simply because I think it's a good voice service and it lets us place and receive calls over a wireless internet connection as opposed to using a cellular signal. So with that said, you can't go wrong. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to turn on Wi-Fi calling if you've been looking for the option but you can't find it. So just open up the dialer and select the 3 pins up here in the top right hand corner. Then select the settings and then scroll down, and here you will see Wi-Fi calling. Select it and it just explains everything I've said. So make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi connection whenever available. So you can turn it on for both your SIM cards, SIM 1 and SIM 2. And that's it. It's that simple. Wi-Fi calling is now enabled. Anyway, that's it for the video. If it helped you out, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.